Things just come to you naturally. Even if a person is with you or you are in a long distance, वो naturally चीज़ें आ ही जाती है. You don't need to put an effort, and I think communication is the most important thing. And हमारे केस में like time difference तो इतना ज़्यादा है तो मैं बता नहीं सकती. Like he's just throwing the sun on me, I am throwing the moon on him. It's like वैसे.
Hi Rishika, welcome to India Forums. Okay, firstly, congratulations on that big rock on your ring finger.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell us about the story. When did it exactly happen? कुछ back story अपने fans को दीजिए.
Firstly, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था that I would be giving an interview ऐसे about my engagement और ऐसा सब. I think most of the people किसी ने मतलब कहीं ना दूर दूर तक किसी का कोई रिश्ता नाता नहीं था. I'm going to post something like this one Sunday and then सबको पता चल जाएगा. So थोड़ा सा था, but for me like my life has completely changed and मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे में personally बहुत changes आए हैं and like it's a beautiful thing to be in love.
Right. Okay. So when you posted that picture, जैसे आपने कहा कि लोगों ने सोचा नहीं था that one fine day you're going to post that picture, and when you posted that picture and when you flaunted that ring, what were the reactions, friends, family और सबके क्या reactions थे?
Everyone was really happy. Like this was मेरे life में आज तक कोई भी चीज़ इतनी smooth हुई नहीं है. Like from getting a show to anything, it has always been hurdles were there. But
Right.
this was the most smoothest thing that happened. I didn't have to convince also anybody. Like it just happened.
Right. Okay. Ring की अगर बात करें तो when you finally saw, every girl's it's a dream to wear that ring. So when you were finally wearing that ring और उसके बाद में एक दिन बाद जब वो sink in होता है,
मुझे तो for the longest time मुझे sink in ही नहीं हो रहा था ना सौरभ को हो रहा था. But like अभी ऐसा लगता है कि इसके बिना चल नहीं सकता.
Okay.
ऐसा वाला है.
Okay. Like you also said, life has changed. How has life changed? And
Like firstly, like our relationship is a long distance relationship.
Okay.
So for that वो थोड़ा सा difficult भी है, but then again हमें कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं that it is difficult. Like both of us were very much involved and giving time. And life ऐसे change हो गया कि अभी तक मुझे नहीं realize हो रहा है, but when I take another step ahead तब मुझे पता चलेगा अच्छा finally my life is changing and मतलब अभी घर पे भी सब बोलते हैं बड़ी हो गई है तो थोड़ा फीलिंग आ जाती है.
Right.
Change हो गया है.
Right. Okay. Rishika, जानना चाहेंगे how long distance relationship a lot of people cannot do it. Successfully किया है touchwood and ये proof है ring. So कोई tips या कोई चीज़ मतलब what is that one thing that kept your relationship intact even after being long distance?
I can't give tips or anything, but I think things just come to you naturally. Even if a person is with you or you are in a long distance, वो naturally चीज़ें आ ही जाती है. You don't need to put an effort, and I think communication is the most important thing. And हमारे केस में like time difference तो इतना ज़्यादा है तो मैं बता नहीं सकती. Like he's just throwing the sun on me, I am throwing the moon on him. It's like वैसे.
Right.
So, but we've managed and touchwood अभी भी थोड़ा सा है some months that we still have to manage and
Right.
it's a beautiful experience. For me like it was a fairy tale kind of thing.
Right. What are the preparations for the D-Day?
Abhi right now he's just been back to Canada, so let him just be there. थोड़ा काम वाम थोड़ा फिर छुट्टी जब मिलेगी तब से we'll be like अच्छा okay we have to start preparing because I know कि कितना effort जाता है only for just that one day for the 2 days or 1 day जो भी है like it takes a lot of effort.
Right.
और सबके मतलब every person who's there in the ceremony सबसे मतलब कभी I feel bad also कि अपने enjoy ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाते because they are here and there.
Right.
But that's how it is.
Right. Okay. D-Day की भी अगर बात की है तो लहंगा के बारे में कुछ सोचा है and are you going to be the bride who loves pastels or are you going to be the bride red bride?
मतलब I wore a pastel outfit for my engagement like kind of. So I would want to go for a typical red, but let's see. Like मेरा ऐसे once I'll see the outfit तब मुझे समझेगा. I don't have anything in mind, but red something traditional like.
Right. Okay, lastly अपने सारे फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिन्होंने इतना प्यार बरसाया ये न्यूज़ बाहर आने के बाद?
Thank you so much for just being there, supporting and got so many wishes from your side. Thank you and बस ऐसे ही मेरा साथ देते रहना. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishika.